In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credential in n8n. If you want to remove an old, unused, or incorrect credential from your n8n workspace, the process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, just make sure you're signed into your n8n account and that you're on the main workspace screen. Start by opening your personal area. This is where you can access items connected to your own workspace and account settings. Once you're there, look for the section that helps you manage saved connection details and authentication methods. Next, click on Credentials. This will open the Credentials page, where you can see the list of credentials that have been created in your n8n environment. These credentials are usually used to connect workflows to external apps and services, so it's a good idea to make sure you're deleting the correct one before moving forward. When you find the credential you want to remove, click on the three dots next to it. This will open a small menu with additional actions related to that credential. The three-dot menu is commonly used in n8n to keep extra options organized without cluttering the main screen, so if you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to look carefully beside the credential entry. From that menu, click on Delete. This will begin the removal process for that credential. In many cases, deleting a credential is permanent, so it's important to be certain that you no longer need it. If that credential is still being used by an active workflow, removing it may cause that workflow to stop working correctly until a new credential is added. That's it. Once you click Delete, the credential will be removed from your list, and your n8n workspace will stay cleaner and easier to manage. This is especially useful if you're updating old connections, removing duplicates, or simply keeping your account organized. If you're managing multiple credentials, it can help to review them regularly so you always know which ones are active and which ones can safely be removed. Keeping things organized in n8n makes workflow maintenance much easier over time. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to delete a credential in n8n.